Do we have video? Do we have audio? Any video, audio? Hello? We're back. Yes. Ha! What's going on, dude? Lonnie. I'd like to introduce you all to Lonnie. Arson. Yeah. Alright. Dude, sick work on your customs, by the way. Those things turned out awesome for the Urban Decay 3 show. Alright. Enough with the talk. Should have grabbed another beer. Alright, so we're doing a live review for those who watch this later. We're going to do a live review of my buddy Jerome and his Hyperactive Monkey. His Hyperactive Monkey book. That is seriously awesome. I don't have kids. I'm soon going to have a niece, actually, which is exciting. But if I had kids or, I don't know, grandkids or any kid, I would buy him this because Jerome is awesome, for one thing, and I want to support awesome people. And because it's only 15 bucks, and because it's a sweet book. The illustrations in it are fly. And I haven't said that word fly in a long time to describe something, so I'm obviously Twitter-pated. I haven't said Twitter-pated since I watched Bambi when I was 7. So, Jerome is a super talented dude. You guys can check him out, hyperactivemonkey.com. But basically, it's an ABC book. Describes on the front. ABC's a Monkey Kung Fu by JeromeLu and Daisy Chow, who I think did the writing. It's his lovely girlfriend. Unless they're married. Are they married? I don't know. I'm screwing all this up. This book belongs to Monkey Kung Fu student. You can sign it. He didn't sign mine. Jerk. But I did pick this up from WonderCon when he had a booth there. Yeah, it has a vintage look. It's very vintage. So let's get down to it. I'm not going to show you guys everything because a review shouldn't show everything. It should make you want to go out and buy it. I like collecting. We like collecting. The reason you guys are watching is because we collect. Toy collectors admire. I like collecting books from toy collectors. I've kind of got a little collection going. This little coffee table book, and this thing is perfect for it. A is for Anaconda Attack, which is what the Hyperactive Monkey is doing. Awesome. Awesome illustrations. B is for the Buddha backhand. Wacha is what that says. Exactly. Arson in the chat says he's got a small selection of books. It's great to get you inspired. Exactly. Just flipping through and just seeing, Jerome's got some crazy illustrator skills. Straight up Vector Ninja, which is awesome. C is for crane coasting. Look at these pages, guys. Like, could you imagine teaching your kid the alphabet with this book? Your kid would be the best in school. He'd be like, no, D is not for donkey, teacher. D is for drunken demon. Yeah, that would get him far, right? So sick. Yeah, the font is, it's like a brushed font, dip in the inkwell kind of thing. Pretty sweet. Oh, what? E is for eagle eye. That he does. Look at that giant eye. F is for Fists of Fury. Nice little homage to Bruce Lee. So, we can talk about this book. I'm not going to show you guys everything, but we will flip through. Illustrations are awesome. It's a good, solid book to have. He'll be at Comic-Con. I'm sure you guys can get a book there if you make it out. 15 bucks. Contains 32 illustrated pages of Monkey Kung Fu Alphabet Awesomeness, 26 letters of Monkey Madness. Let's see. Jerome, if you order it from his website, he will actually sign it and do a personalized sketch inside the front cover of every order, which is awesome. HyperactiveMonkey.com. This book is well worth the money. Highly recommend picking this up because owning books by your peers or owning books by artists is awesome to do because they're good people. David Craig wants me to do... Okay, yes, totally will. Alright, so ABCs of Monkey Kung Fu from JeromeLu of Hyperactive Monkey. 15 bucks, hyperactivemonkey.com. Teach your kids Kung Fu and the alphabet at the same time. They'll be the best kid around. The most awesomest kid. Very cool book. I agree. Jerome is awesome too, by the way. He smells like pancakes. He always has a very nice pancake scent. Pancakes are good. Alright. So, go buy this. HyperactiveMonkey.com. I'll be right back, folks. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.